Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Anas Aloum. We have launched now a detailed online course featuring aesthetics and fixed prosthodontics. I'll be covering various topics in this course, and I'm going to teach you techniques to be the best version of the dentist you are now. Teeth preparations for veneers, crowns, onlays, and veneer lays, and how to achieve flawless, stress-free impressions. Ceramic material selection, rubber dam isolation, and adhesive delivery protocols. I will also cover smile designing and photography and videography protocols, the fundamentals of smile design, and softwares that will ease the process and make a beautiful case presentation for your patient and team, and also communicate better with your team members. I will share digital workflows and the importance of taking photos properly for designing purposes. In my protocol that I've been using for years and proved to be successful when making complex rehabilitations, and how I implement the digital technologies in today's practice. And most importantly, clinical cases with various scenarios that go from single veneer restorations all the way to full cases involving opening the vertical dimension and much more. I will break down the process in a step-by-step manner and show you some secret techniques that I've never shown before. I have collected hundreds of cases over the past 13 years of my clinical practice and would like to share this knowledge and experience I've gained with you. I will also continuously upload cases and videos as bonuses to the course. The course is truly comprehensive and answers lots of questions from your daily practice. My motto in dentistry is to simplify the process and always look for the best ways to finish cases based on evidence and from my clinical experience and common sense. I really hope you can join me in this online course. We will have lots of fun and most importantly, lots of tips and tricks. And I will see you online.